Cardano is ready to test a major support level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Cardano analysis. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. So yesterday, we actually saw that he break below that 42-cent mark that we were mentioning is going to become extremely bearish for Cardano. Now, we are seeing a price movement obviously bounce from this level, but I'll go ahead and explain that in a little bit. You can see that Cardano did break that level, break below the exponential moving averages, and is slowly trending downwards. We did have this M formation play out quite well, and now, technically speaking, we do have somewhat of a support here at the 41.9. In my opinion, though, it's still going to be looking to have a retest around that 41-cent mark and possibly be breaking down much lower to that 40-cent overall support level. Now, there is two scenarios we obviously have. Number one is we do see a bounce once again for a possible double bottom formation over here, and then a continuation to actually go and break above that resistance of 44 cents and retest that 46. Number two, obviously, is we continue breaking below this exponential moving average, breaking that 41 support, and just having one straight candlestick downwards, bouncing back up, and then continuation back down. The reason that scenario can definitely play is because there's still a lot of buyers waiting for that 40-cent mark. You can see with these liquidation wicks, right? These two wicks down here were a good indicator that buyers were waiting at this level. But now, whether or not we're going to see a third wick downwards, just have a fake out situation where buyers think that it's a good idea to go long, and then another continuation back down. Overall, we've been pretty bearish on Cardano since we broke that level around the 44-cent mark, which I mentioned right over here. Once we broke this level a few days ago, I started mentioning to you guys that this is only going to be a shorting area now. We were holding this level and looking for possible long situations, but you can see that as we were consolidating in this range, we were testing that support level multiple times. Once we got the break below, we got the confirmation right here of a rejection retest, and that was a confirmation to actually enter a short position. Once we bounced off that support level, you can see that the bulls are still weak, right? We couldn't get above that 43-cent mark. We didn't even get close to testing that resistance level again. They were pretty much rejected right away, and the bears took control and brought this once again to around that 42.1 mark. And now we are testing that exponential as resistance. We've been testing that exponential as resistance on the 4-hour and slowly consolidating much lower. If we look over here on the hourly chart, we are technically above the exponential moving averages, but you can see that that situation has played out before right here. We got above the exponential moving averages and then continued right back down. So we can possibly be looking at the same situation here and then another move to the downside, because overall Cardano has just been in a downtrend as of right now. On the 1 hour, you can see we had a beautiful bounce right off this support level for the RSI and then a continuation higher, but it's still looking like we're seeing some rejection wicks for Cardano from the bearish case scenario. This means that the bears are still pretty much in control, and until we break above this 20 exponential moving average and find it as support, only then I will be able to say, yes, we have consolidated and we are looking for another move up. Now, there is something to note though before I end this video, is we can also see a possible W formation forming on Cardano. We have seen this formation play out before on Cardano, so there's definitely a possibility that can happen again. Technically speaking, then we can't break below this level at 41 cents. If we break below that level, then this was just a consolidation range right here and then a move another downside. But if we can get that level and hold that level around that 41 cents, that W formation will play out and the take profit zone will definitely be around that 44-cent mark. So until the weekend's over, we will have to kind of pay attention to see how Cardano plays out and possibly see whether the W formation is going to play out, or if we're just going to continue consolidating and then break the support level and continue much lower. That's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.